welcome to my spring home tour for 2025. Come on inside. Now, as you remember, I did the spring tablescape collaboration, and I will have the links in the iCards above for each video up in the iCard, sharing with you how each room came together. Now the entryway tables, I have two. And then I have this nook that I always do very simple. And here's the second table. So now we're going to head into the kitchen. I did areas in the kitchen. I did this tray here in the middle. Now the breakfast area, we just made it easy to eat in. Then we go into my family room. Family room, I did touches of spring in here. I did the fireplace for the fireplace collaboration. And then I did the coffee table. Well, then I did the pillows on the sofa. Life is beautiful. Life is a beautiful ride. Then here on the coffee table, I tried to mimic a mini version of the fireplace on the coffee table. And then on the bottom, I just put the greenery with some, but I had a purple hydrangea. And then on the table here, we just added 2 of the gray, or called dusty blue, hydrangeas with some greenery, and I think it came out really cute. I did a simple spring decor this year. I want to thank you for taking the walkthrough with me at my home for spring. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, sharing each room, and I will see you next year for the spring home tour. Thank you for coming.